In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog or newsfeed to your website. We'll break down the process into simple steps to ensure you have a smooth experience. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to not only add, but also customize a blog or newsfeed and publish it for the world to see. Let's get started. First, let's focus on adding a blog or newsfeed to your website. Open your website builder's dashboard and navigate to the section where you can add new elements or pages. Here you're looking for an option that mentions blog, newsfeed, or something similar. If you're using a popular platform, this should be pretty straightforward to find. Once you've located it, select or drag it into the desired spot on your website. This should automatically set up the basic structure of your blog or newsfeed, populating it with some placeholder posts so you can get a sense of how it will look. Now that you've added the blog, it's important to customize the layout to ensure it fits with the overall aesthetic of your website. Most website builders offer a range of pre-designed templates, so browse through these options to see which one resonates with your brand's style. Consider factors like color schemes, typography, and spacing to create a cohesive and visually appealing look. You might want to change the order of posts or adjust the widgets, such as social media links and comment sections, to better engage your audience. Achieving the right layout might take some experimentation and tweaking, so don't be afraid to preview your changes as you go along. Once you're satisfied with how your blog or newsfeed looks, it's time to take the final step, publishing it. Before you hit that publish button, do a thorough check to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. Double check the links, the alignment of images, and the formatting of text. Also consider factors such as SEO settings and meta descriptions, as these will help your blog reach a wider audience once it's live. When you've completed your inspection, confidently click on the Publish button to share your carefully created blog or newsfeed with the world. Remember, adding a blog or newsfeed is not just about the technical steps, but also about how it connects with your visitors. Consistent updates, engaging content, and regular maintenance will encourage conversation and customer loyalty. This blog or newsfeed can serve as a dynamic, living part of your website that continues to attract and engage visitors over time. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found this process straightforward and informative. With just a few simple steps, you've now expanded your website's capabilities and enhanced its appeal. Keep exploring different elements and layouts to continuously improve your site. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.